Welcome. In this video, we will be integrating sine cubed x times cosine to the fourth power of x. And now since the power of sine here, since this one has the odd power, 3 versus 4, we're going to split off one of our factors of sine. So let's rewrite this as the integral of sine squared x times sine x times cosine to the fourth power x dx. Now let's use what we know from trigonometry. That is, let's use this fact. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. So sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine squared x. There is a sine squared x that I will replace here with 1 minus cosine squared x. Then I can make a substitution where I let w equal cosine. All right, so let's see how this will work out. In this step, I went ahead and swapped out sine x and cosine of the fourth x. That is, I changed their order, which is allowed due to the commutative property of multiplication. And then here I replaced sine squared x with 1 minus cosine squared x. So now it's time to deal with the substitution I had mentioned. We're going to let w equal cosine x, then dw is going to equal negative sine x dx. I have a sine x dx, not a negative sine x dx. So let's rewrite this as negative dw equals sine x dx. So I can replace this sine x dx with just negative dw. And each of these cosines is going to be replaced with a w. Okay, so this becomes negative times 1 minus w squared times w to the fourth power dw, which is just w to the fourth power minus w to the sixth power dw. All right, so let's rewrite this one more time. That is, let's write this as w to the sixth power minus w to the fourth power dw. Integrating will yield w to the seventh power over 7 minus w to the fifth power over 5 plus a constant. Now I can replace this w here with cosine x, and I end up with cosine to the seventh x over 7 minus cosine to the fifth x over 5 plus a constant c. I hope this video was helpful.